Hello, business owners. Do you want to create landing pages and interactive funnels, like quizzes or questionnaires, to optimize every touch point in your sales funnel? Do you want to be able to sync your marketing content with ad platforms like Facebook and TikTok to track overall performance?
Then today's video is for you.
Today I will discuss software through which you can create landing pages and interactive funnels, like quizzes or questionnaires, to optimize every touchpoint in your sales funnel.
You can sync your marketing content with ad platforms like Facebook and TikTok to track overall performance.
And you can capture responses and follow up even if users leave your page.
So let's get started. The software I was talking about so far is FastPages. FastPages helps you launch sales funnels with quick loading landing pages, pop-ups, quizzes, and first-party cookies. Feature: FastPages helps you quickly build interactive marketing content like quizzes and questionnaires. Create loads of interactive landing pages with an easy-to-use design editor.
Sync user data across your marketing stack to constantly optimize your marketing campaigns.
FastPages helps you track the entire customer journey by leveraging first-party cookies and many more powerful features. Price: Starter. This is perfect for marketing freelancers who want to create interactive funnels for $29 per month.
Agency: This is perfect for agencies that want to drive and optimize conversions for their clients for $99 per month.
And
Business: This plan is perfect for businesses that want to optimize every stage of the funnel for $249 per month.
Increase conversions, optimize your funnel, and grow your clients' revenue with all of these features. You even get a 14-day free trial. But they have some lifetime deals. License Tier 1, 100,000 views, 5 domains, and 5 users for $69 instead of $348. License Tier 2, 300,000 views, 10 domains, 10 users, and 5 workspaces for $109 instead of $1,188. License Tier 3, 750,000 views, 25 domains, 25 users, and 25 workspaces for $179 instead of $2,236.
License Tier 4, unlimited views, 100 domains, 100 users, and 100 workspaces for $289 instead of $3,424. And License Tier 5, unlimited views, unlimited domains, unlimited users, and unlimited workspaces for $369 instead of $5,976. Features are included in all plans: unlimited landing pages,
Unlimited conversion, Rocket Fast landing pages, Zapier integration, hosting with SL and CDN Unsplash images, Stripe checkouts, Facebook conversions API.
customer review. You will be amazed if you see their reviews.
they have 37 reviews on the Appsumo.
Q2 has only 4 reviews.
And on Capterra, there are 46 reviews.
So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. See you in the following video. Thank you.